Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we are traveling to the continent of Africa. Specifically, we are going to the countries of Ghana and Togo, and we are learning about Kente cloth, which is a really beautiful woven fabric with lots of meaning and symbolism. Now, today we're not weaving our own cloth. Instead, we're going to be making a paper weaving that is inspired by the beautiful Kente cloth that originates in Ghana and Togo, specifically with the Ashanti tribe. So today you are going to need two pieces of paper. You're going to need one white piece of paper that we are going to draw lines on and color on as well. And then you'll also need a second piece of paper. If you have colored paper, you can see here I used yellow. That just speeds up the process. If you prefer to use two white sheets of paper and draw designs on both of them, you absolutely can as well. We're going to be weaving today in an A-B pattern. So we're going to be going over, under, and we're going to be alternating our strips as well. So that way we get kind of a checkerboard pattern, okay? So today you're going to need two pieces of paper, something to draw and color with, some scissors, and then maybe grab a few pieces of tape if you have them. So that way you can tape up the ends or the edges of the strips at the end of the project as well. All right, go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. Hey everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.